Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to create a simple coffee mug and animate it in Blender 3D. First of all, select the default cube, press X and delete it, then press Shift A and add a cylinder, and then right click and shade smooth. Now go to modifier, generate, and add a subdivision surface modifier. Now press S and scale it along Z direction like that. Now go to edit mode, press Ctrl R and add a loop cut and grab it here. Now for again press Ctrl R and add a loop cut and grab it down. Now go to face selection mode, select this face, press I to insert it. Now go to X direction, then go to toggle X remote, press E to extrude the selected face and place it here. Now disable the toggle X remote. Now press Ctrl R and add a loop cut and grab it down. Now for again press Ctrl R and add another loop cut and also grab it down. Now go to object mode. In the subdivision surface modifier, increase the level viewport to 3. Now add another modifier named solidify modifier and increase the thickness. Now apply the solidify modifier. Now go to edit mode. Go to the X angle. Press Ctrl R and add a loop cut here. Now press Ctrl R and add another loop cut and place it here. Now for again Ctrl R, add another loop cut and place it here. Now go to face selection mode, select these two faces. Now go to minus Y angle, press C and extrude it outside. Now select this face and then this face. Go back to minus Y angle, press I to insert it and grab it a bit of inside like that. After that, go to edge menu, select bridge edge loops and here it is, we create a handle for our mug. Now create a loop cut here and grab it down a little bit. Now press Ctrl R and again create a loop cut here and grab it a bit up. Go back to object mode, then go to material preview, add a material, press on the new button and choose your desired color. Now let's give it a simple rotation animation. For rotation animation, press Shift A and add a plane. Press S and scale it up. Now add a new material for plane and for again choose your desired color. Press S and scale it a little bit more. Now grab up this window, press N and bring the property panel. Go to items. Now select your mug and we are going to rotate it on Z direction. Now jump to the one, press K and add a rotation keyframe. Now go to 100 keyframe, hit the Z rotation to 180, press K and add a rotation keyframe. And here is you can see our cup is rotating on the Z direction. Now let's repeat the same process for our plane. Select the plane, go to the first frame, press K and add a rotation keyframe. Now go to the 100 keyframe, set the Z rotation to 180, press K and add a rotation keyframe. Now set the end of rotation to 100 frame and here it is our mug in its small animation. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like button and tell us your reaction in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.